Hey everyone, Joffer here. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we are diving into the latest flagship phones making waves in the market, the Honor 200 and the Oppo Reno 12. Both these devices promises top-notch performance, stunning displays, and advanced camera systems. But which one is truly worth your investment? Let's break it down. But before that, if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe, click the bell icon for more exciting tech reviews like this. Let's get started. Starting with the design, both the Honor 200 and the Oppo Reno 12 features sleek, modern designs with premium materials. The Honor 200 comes with a plastic back and plastic frame, giving it a solid and luxurious feel. On the other hand though, the Oppo Reno 12 offers a similar premium finish, but with a slightly more ergonomic design that feels comfortable in the hand. The Honor 200 is a bit heavier, at 187 grams, which might appeal to those who prefer a more substantial device, while the Oppo Reno 12 is lighter, 177 grams, and more pocket-friendly. Both phones come in a range of stunning colors, so you have plenty of options to choose from. Moving on to the display, the Honor 200 boasts a 6.7-inch OLED screen with a 120Hz refresh rate, ensuring smooth scrolling and vibrant colors, with 1200 by 2664 pixels and up to whopping 4000 nits peak brightness, which is quite better than Oppo. The Oppo Reno 12 features the same screen size, 6.7-inch AMOLED display, also with a 120Hz refresh rate, with 1080 by 2412 pixels and up to 12,000 nits peak brightness. Oppo's screen has a lower resolution and brightness, but it does have Corning Gorilla Glass 7i protection. Both screens are bright and offer excellent viewing angles, but the Honor 200's higher nits might be more appealing for media consumption and outdoor usage. However, the Oppo Reno 12's display is no slouch, providing sharps and vivid visuals that are perfect for everyday use. Now, let's talk performance. Under the hood, the Honor 200 is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Gen 3, a 4nm chipset with a clock speed of octa-core 2.63 GHz, coupled with 12GB of RAM and 256 of internal storage. This combination ensures lightning-fast performance and seamless multitasking. The Oppo Reno 12, on the other hand, comes with the MediaTek Dimensity 7300 Energy, a 4nm processor with a clock speed of octa-core 2.5 GHz and up to 12GB of RAM as well, but with double storage than Honor of 512GB. Both devices handle intensive tasks with ease, but the Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 in the Honor 200 offers a slight edge in terms of raw performance. Gaming, video editing, and heavy multitasking are all smooth experience on both phones. Now, let's talk about the cameras. The Honor 200 sports a triple camera setup featuring a 50MP primary sensor, a 12MP ultra-wide lens, and a 50MP telephoto lens. The Oppo Reno 12, meanwhile, offers a triple camera system as well, with a 50MP main sensor, an 8MP ultra-wide, and a 2MP macro lens. When it comes to the battery life, the Honor 200 packs a 5200 mAh battery, while the Oppo Reno 12 features a 5000 mAh battery. Both phones supports fast charging, with the Honor 200 offering a 100 watts fast charging and the Oppo Reno 12 supporting 80 watts fast charging. In real-world usage, both phones easily last for a day on a single charge. The slight difference in battery capacity is negligible, and the fast charging speeds ensures you can quickly top up your battery when needed. Now let's go for the conclusion. So, which phone should you choose? The Honor 200 offers a slight edge in terms of raw performance, camera resolution, battery, charging speed, and display brightness. However, the Oppo Reno 12 is no slouch either, providing a comfortable design, excellent display quality, and impressive camera performance. Ultimately, your choice will depend on your personal preferences and priorities. If you want a brighter screen, bigger battery, and higher resolution camera, the Honor 200 might be the better choice. But if you prefer a lighter phone with a user-friendly interface and a larger storage, the Oppo Reno 12 is an excellent option. Both these phones priced at 1,599 dirhams here in Dubai. Alright, that's it for today's comparison between the Honor 200 and Oppo Reno 12. Let us know in the comments which phone you would choose and why. And if you liked the video, please don't forget to subscribe, click the bell icon for more in-depth tech reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.